What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR Stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be very important for this company for the upcoming weeks and months. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, when this asset had a sideways movement around $21.7 mark, and I told you that we are not out of the woods, because previously, at this very point, I told you that most likely we'll have to see another couple of legs to the downside, but instead of this, this asset went higher. But this movement to the upside didn't have the sufficient volume. That is why my main assumption was still the same. We have to land a little bit lower. And guys, I have to say that this asset was quite technical and is quite technical. I caught a lot of its movement to the upside. I told you I caught pretty much to the tick this movement, and then I predicted this retracement, quite harsh retracement to the downside. Just watch my previous video, you can find the link to the previous video in the description below, and you will find that technical analysis works perfectly well. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, for now there is not so many people inside the community. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think, guys, it is quite fair deal. So, and let's continue with the news. What news might be the crucial for this asset for upcoming week? Let me show you again the Twitter account of Arnie Trezi, and it is very convenient to use the information that is prepared for you by some other persons who has the skin in this game. And I have to admit that Palantir for now is a very prominent company in terms of its AI implementation. And let me show you this tweet that was published just 12 hours ago. PLTR partners with Proxit, software development company focused on ML and AI. The power of Palantir software is being able to give all businesses SMB through enterprise the same power and control over their data as their largest competitors. Channel partner expands. And guys, I have to say that it is not the only news that is directly related to Palantir and its AI implementation, AI software development. And we know that when, not if, but when Palantir will announce it as a new, completely new product and will use it for 100% or close to this range, definitely it will be a huge breakthrough in the price of Palantir stock. On top of that, guys, let me show you this tweet that was published by Arnie Trezi, and it is a quite interesting tweet. Let me quote you this in details. Palantir new stock-based compensation package. The stock needs to exceed $50, and it is quite a good number, and in a minute you will understand why I think so. In the latest Q1 results, there is a tiny crucial detail. Palantir granted 44 million stock appreciation rights, SARs, to employees. How does this work? SARs are the way to incentivize employees by giving them the right to receive in cash the difference between the stock price and the target if the certain conditions are met. The goal is to align employees with shareholders. Details: $50 target, 5 years of continued service, $20 max appreciation per SAR. In simple terms, employees will be entitled at the end of 5 consecutive years at the company to benefit from the difference between the stock price and $50, but with cap of $20 per SAR. For instance, if in 2029 the stock is $30, equals SARs will be worth 0. $50, exactly the same result. $60, each employee gets $10 per SAR. $80, each employee gets $20 per SAR, and this is the gap of maximum appreciation per SAR. This is how cap works. And if the price of PLTR stock will be $100, each employee gets again $20 appreciation. And this is a very important part. First of all, we have to see the at least $50 price target, and it is more than double from our current range. This means the projection from the C-levels executive themselves is higher than $50 per share. This means it is more than 25% annually. On top of that, guys, this price target leads to very high involvement of all employees in Palantir, because they have to work harder, they have to achieve major milestones and major goals in order to have this appreciation in price. And guys, if the price goes higher than $50, 60 or 70 or 80, it will be beneficial for all of the shareholders, especially for the insiders. And this is definitely a very good news. And at the same time, guys, I want to pay attention first of all on the list of institutional investors. We still have a lot of green rows that indicate that these companies opened completely new position in Palantir. But if you take a look on insider trading list, you will see a lot of blood in the streets. Just recently, a couple of days ago, a lot of insiders sold some of their shares, and it started on May 22nd from Alexander Karp himself, and he sold some of his shares just on May the 20th, and right after that a lot of other insiders started to do the same. And definitely they still hold a lot of shares in their pockets, but in general it is not the best sign for the company when insiders are selling the stock. And it is not the one insider, but it is multiple people who does the same. And this news might affect the price of Palantir in a negative manner. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we are achieving again to the crucial point for Palantir. It is this yellow line at $20.5 mark. And if this asset breaks this level, and guys, one of the major rules of technical analysis is following: if some asset retests a certain range of support or resistance multiple times, the probability of the breakout above or below this range is increasing within the next touch of this range. And this is the crucial point. We have to take a look on the upcoming price action around $20.5 mark, because if it breaks it to the downside and if this range is broken as well, we will see the longer consolidation phase and lower prices for this asset in the medium and long-term perspective. That is why, guys, take a look on these two ranges at $20 and $20.5, and depending on the price actions around this level, we might make our conclusion for the upcoming weeks. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star